Welcome to my channel. My name is Ayush Yogesh More and we are learning trigonometry. Now in this lecture, lecture number 2 of trigonometry, we are going to study some concept related to addition and subtraction of angle in trigonometry. So let's start. In this slide, we are going to see trigonometric formulas. How the trigonometric formulas are derived in terms of x and y. On this slide, we are going to see that we have before seen that the sine theta is equal to opposite upon hypotenuse, cos theta is equal to adjacent upon hypotenuse, tan theta is equal to opposite upon adjacent, cosec theta is equal to hypotenuse upon opposite side, sec theta is equal to hypotenuse upon adjacent side, cot theta is equal to adjacent upon opposite side. We have seen this before and I have written it symbolically here. Now we are going to see that sine theta's value is y by 1, cos theta's value is x by 1, tan theta's value is y by x. How it is? So from this figure we can understand that the OB value is x, as before we have seen that this x OB lies on x-axis, so we have named it as x, and this AB is parallel to y-axis, so we have named it by y, and this circle center point is O. Here it is mentioned 0 comma 0, and the point A is x comma y on the circumference of the circle, and AB is perpendicular to this x-axis. So here there will be a 90-degree angle. So this here we can apply trigonometric formulas. So here here sine theta will be opposite upon hypotenuse, opposite this AB upon hypotenuse OA. So here we have written y by 1. Cos theta similarly is adjacent upon hypotenuse. Here adjacent value of adjacent side is the nearest side to theta. See here OB. It is the nearest side to theta, that is x. So therefore x and divided by hypotenuse, that is 1. As we have seen the drawn the circle of radius 1 and the point A is on the circumference. So here hypotenuse is equal to 1 centimeter or meter we can say. So tan theta will be sin theta upon cos theta, that will be y by x, and cosec theta is inverse or reciprocal of sin theta. We cannot say inverse, it is reciprocal. Cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sin theta, so 1 upon y. Sec theta is equal to 1 upon cos theta, so we have written 1 upon x. Cot theta will be in reciprocal of tan theta, so we have written x by y. Now turning to the next page, some trigonometric shortcuts to remember where the values of sine theta, cosec theta, tan theta, cot theta, cos theta and sec theta are positive, negative. Here in the first quadrant, here x and y values are positive, hence the all values of the trigonometric ratios will be positive. But now in second condition, second quadrant, here value of x-axis is negative and y is positive. So here the value related to y, that before we have seen, see here the sine value is y, and here y is positive, so it will not affect the sine theta and cosec theta. So these values will be positive, as sine is reciprocal is cosec theta, so this will not be affected. Now turning to the third quadrant, here negative x-axis, negative y-axis, but we have seen that sine theta upon cos theta, here in the third quadrant sine theta and cos theta both will be negative, as the sine theta is minus y and cos theta is minus x in the third quadrant. So division of minus 1 upon minus 1 would give us a positive value, that is plus 1. Similarly sine theta divided by cos theta will give us positive value of tan theta. Similarly for cot theta, cos theta upon sin theta. The negative value will be get cancelled and cot theta will be again positive. Here in the fourth quadrant, cos theta and sec theta are positive, as here minus y axis and plus x axis. Here the values of x will be positive and y values will be negative, which will not be affected by cos theta and sec theta, as cos reciprocally sec theta. Cos theta value we have before seen, it is x. Here is cos theta and its values is x, so it would be won't be affected by the values. Now turning to next page, negative angle concept. So here some formulas are given to us, that is sine of minus theta is equal to minus sine theta, cos of minus theta is equal to cos theta, tan of minus theta is equal to minus tan theta, cot minus theta is equal to minus cot theta, cosec theta is also written as CSC. Here the point to be remember, cosec theta minus cosec of minus theta is equal to minus of cosec theta, and sec minus theta is equal to sec theta. Here you can see that the cos of minus theta is cos theta and sec of minus theta is equal to sec theta. We are going to see about it on the next slide. See, as the value of cos theta is adjacent upon hypotenuse, I have drawn a figure here. See, we have discussed all this before. This is angle theta, this is angle minus theta in this direction from AB towards OA, sorry, OB towards OA, OA dash. So this will be angle this will be negative angle, and from OB to OA this will be positive theta. So hypotenuse, we know from the Pythagoras theorem that it is under root of O square plus A square, that is opposite side square plus adjacent side square. Substituting values of h, we get cos theta is equal to adjacent upon under root of O square plus A square. Similarly, for cos of minus theta, A upon h is equal a upon h, and cos of minus theta would be adjacent upon under root of opposite square plus adjacent side square. Here, as there is the adjacent side A, so it is not getting affected, but for sin theta it is opposite side. So see here, for opposite side, this theta's opposite side will be y, and it will be plus here in the positive in the first quadrant. Here all the values are positive as we before discussed, and for the fourth quadrant cos and sec are positive. Hence the value of minus theta of cos will be equal to cos of theta, and similarly for sec theta, that is reciprocal of cos theta. Now turning to the next slide, trigonometric ratios from 0 degrees to 360 degrees. Here I have mentioned the angles minus theta, 90 minus theta, 90 plus theta, 180 minus theta, 180 plus theta, 270 plus 270 minus theta, 270 plus theta, minus theta. Here you have to remember an idea for this. Here for theta minus theta, 180 minus theta, 180 plus theta, and 360 minus theta. For sine it will come sine, for cos it will come cos, for tan it will come tan, for cot it will come cot, for sec theta it will come sec theta, cosec theta it will come cosec theta. There will be only the negative sign difference, that is for sine of minus theta, that is minus sine theta. So cos, for cos, as we discussed, the cos of minus theta is cos theta, tan of theta will be equal to minus of tan theta, cot theta will be equal to minus of cot theta, sec theta will be equal to sec theta, cosec theta will be equal to minus of cosec theta. But for sine of 90 minus theta, here the values changes for 90 minus theta and 270 minus theta, 90 plus theta and 270 plus theta. Here for sine it gets converted into cos of theta, and cos theta it get converted to sine theta. Similarly tan theta get converted into cot theta get converted to tan theta. and further sec theta get converted to cosec theta, and cosec theta gets converted into sec theta. Here sine of 90 minus theta is cos theta, cos of 90 minus theta is sine theta, tan of theta is equal to cot theta, tan of 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. Cot of 90 minus theta will be giving us tan theta. Sec of 90 minus theta will give us cosec theta. And cosec theta of cosec 90 minus theta will give us sec theta. As this is the first quadrant, representing the first quadrant, that is 90 minus theta. So it will be giving us all positive values. We now for 90 plus theta, it is going to be second quadrant. So sine of 90 minus theta, 90 plus theta will give us cos theta. For 90 plus theta, which is in second quadrant, sine theta's value and cosec theta value will be positive, but at it is 90 90. So here the sine theta will get converted into cos theta, and reciprocating system will be developed here. Sine theta's cos theta's sine theta, tan theta's cot theta, cot theta's tan theta, sec theta's cosec theta's sec theta. See, you can see the sine of 90 plus theta, you are getting cos of theta. For sine it will be positive, for cosec theta it will be positive. You can remember this from here only, this diagram. uh, 1 minute. See, you can remember this all table from this short graph. So turning to the next slides. So further, sine of 180 minus theta, it is again coming in second quadrant. Second quadrant represents sine theta will be positive and cosec theta will be positive, other all values will be negative. You can see that minus cos theta, tan of minus tan theta, cot theta as well will be minus of cot theta, sec of 180 minus theta will be minus sec theta. Here, as it is suggesting 180, that is pi or 2 pi or 0, will be giving us the same functions as mentioned here, and the signs only will be changed according to the first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. Now for sine of now for 180 plus theta, it is going to in third quadrant. For third quadrant, sine value is negative, cos value is negative, but tan and cot value will be positive. See here, you can see that. For 180, the values will be same. That is sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec. But here only the difference will be occurring. That is, here tan theta will and cot theta will not be having minus minus sign, and for further all will be having negative sign. For 270 minus theta, again it is the third quadrant. For third quadrant, tan and cot are positive, except all are negative. So you can see that, and it is 270. So the minus sign will be the reciprocating terms will be coming. That is, sine theta will give us cos theta, and cos theta will give us sine theta, and sec theta will give us cosec theta, and cosec theta will again give us sec theta, and tan theta is giving us cot theta, and cot theta is giving us tan theta. For all other signs except tan and cot theta's value will be negative, and they will be positive for cot theta and tan theta, as there is a third quadrant. And for now 270 plus theta and 360 minus theta, this is the fourth quadrant, where cos theta and sec theta are positive except all are negative. See, you can see here, for cos theta it is positive, and for sec theta it is positive. Now here, as it is 270 plus theta, so sine will be converted into cos, and cos will be converted into sine, tan is converting in cot theta is converted into tan theta, sec theta is converted into cosec theta, cosec theta is get converted into sec theta. For 360 minus theta, it will be same as it is. See, sin theta, sin value will be sin, cos will be cos, tan will be tan, cot will be cot, sec will be sec, cosec will be sec, cosec, sorry, cosec. And here, as it is fourth quadrant, so only cos value and sec value are positive. Hence, further, we are going to on next slide. Now we are going to start with sum and different identities. Now, sine of here are some formulas which we are going through. So first formula is of sine. Sine of x plus y is equal to sine x cos y plus cos of x into sine y. Sine of x minus y is equal to sine of x into cos of y minus cos of x into sine of y. 1 minute, let me take a glance. Okay. Cos of x plus y is equal to cos of x into cos of y minus sine of x into sine of y. And further, cos of x minus y is equal to cos of x into cos of y plus sine of x into sine of y. And tan of x plus y is equal to tan of x plus tan of y divided by 1 minus tan of x into tan of y. And further, tan of x minus y is equal to tan of x minus tan of y divided by 1 plus tan x into tan y. You can remember this formulas by learning only 1, 2 and 3 formula of sine, cos and tan. See, sine of x plus y, you can remember sine into cos, and first x then y, then again for the plus sign, here it is a plus sign, and for the next bracket will be cos of x into sine of y. Here the cos will come here cos and sine will come here sine. So here we can see it's vice versa, sine into cos and then cos into sine. Similarly for sine of x minus y, sine of x into cos of y. Here the differences is only here it is minus sign and here it is positive sign, so here we get negative. Rest this formula the same. Cos of x plus cos of y, here the formula will be cos of x into cos of y minus sine of x into sine of y. Now for cos formula, cos and into cos y, cos x into cos y will become coming here, and then a negative sign for a positive sign in the bracket here. Here it is mentioned in the bracket. See here, this for a positive there will always be a negative, and in the next we'll see sine x into sine y. So the similarly cos of x minus y will be equal to cos of x into cos of y plus sine of x into sine of y. For cos of x plus y, here negative sign will be there, and for the negative sign, here positive sign of will be there before the sign of x. And for tan of x plus y, tan of x plus tan of y divided by 1 minus tan of x into tan of y. If you are given with sine and cos, then you can simply divide it and you can get the value of tan, as tan x plus y will be equal to sine of x plus y divided by cos of x plus y. Now for tan of x minus y, tan of x minus tan of y, 1 plus tan of x into tan of y. Tan of x minus tan of y, 1 plus tan x into tan y for value of tan of x minus 1. See, it is similar to x plus y and x plus y of the tan. Here tan of x plus, here symbol is given, but here it is negative, and for the denominator here negative sign is there and here it is positive sign. Further on the next slide, double angle identities. So for sine of 2x there is a formula 2 sin x into cos of x, that is equal to 2 tan x divided by 1 plus tan x tan square x. Cos 2x will be equal to cos square x minus sine square x is equal to, that is also equal to 2 cos square x minus 1. that is also equal to 1 minus 2 sine square x, that is also equal to 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 plus tan square x. Here you have to remember only one formula of cos of 2x, then you can derive this two. And other formula for remembering, you should remember this 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 plus tan square x, and this one cos square x minus sine square x. Here you can put the value of cos square x from the identities, that sine square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. You can substitute the value of cos square x from here, and you can get the easily value of 1 minus 2 sine square x. Similarly, you can substitute for sine square x and you will get the value of 2 cos square x minus 1. And for tan 2x you will be getting, that is 2 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x. Here that is also equal to sin 2x divided by cos 2x. These formulas are derived from here, from this slide. That is sin, here the value of y is equal to x, that is the x is equal to y. So you substitute, while you substitute this value, see sin of x into cos of x plus cos of x into sin of x, that will be equal to 2 sin x into cos x. Similarly, the other formulas are derived here. Now we are moving to the next slide. Triple angle identities. Similar to the first identities, here we again do the addition of 2x plus x. That is, we know that formulas of 2x, then adding 2x plus x, you will be getting 3x formula. So sine of 3x will be equal to 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x, and further cos 3x is equal to 4 of cos cube x minus 3 cos x, and further tan 3x is equal to 3 tan x minus tan cube x divided by 1 minus tan 3 tan square x. Here we will be seeing further. Now we are beginning with proof number 1 of trigonometric ratios sine 3x formula, that will be equal to sine of 2x plus x. Here sine of 3x is splitted as 2x plus x. Now sine of 2x plus x can be further written as sine of 2x into cos of x plus cos of 2x into sine of x. This is the formula of sine of x plus y. See, here x is equal to 2x and y is equal to x. Now further, for sine 2x and cos of 2x, we know the formula that sine of 2x is equal to 2 sin x into cos of x, and this cos of x is written as it is. Now here as plus sign is coming, here also plus sign is there, and cos of 2x formula is 1 minus 2 sine square x into sine of x, which is here. Now further, this cos x is multiplied with cos of x, and here cos square x is we are getting. So that will be equal to 2 sin x into cos square x plus this sin x is again multiplied in this bracket, we get sin of x minus 2 sin cube x. Further, this cos square x is written as 1 minus sin square x. So we will be getting 2 sin x into bracket 1 minus sin square x bracket complete plus sin x minus 2 sin cube x. Further, 2 sin x minus 2 sin cube x, as this 2 sin x is multiplied in this bracket, we are getting this value, and then further the plus sin x minus 2 sin cube x is written as it is. Now we will be getting final answer by adding 2 sin x with sin x and minus 2 sin cube x with minus 2 sin cube x. Here minus 2 and minus 2 as the same sign will indicate addition, and the sign will be negative. So we will be getting sin 3x is equal to 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. Now moving further to proof number 2. Proof number 2 of cos 3x. Again similarly we are going to see that cos 3x is getting cos of 2x plus x, here as it is written. 2x plus x. Now further, we are substituting value in this formula of cos of x plus y. That will be cos of x into cos of y minus sine of x into sine of y. Here value of x will be 2x and value of y will be x. So we will be getting cos of 2x into cos of x minus sine of 2x into sine of x. Now cos 2x will be getting splitted in 2 cos square x minus 1. For cos 2x we will be putting this value related to cos. We have to remember this for this proof. And for sine of for here for cos 2x in sine formula we are substituting the value of sine. Here we have substituted for cos 2x. Now we will be substituting for sine 2x. The sine 2x formula is same as it is 2 sin x into cos x into the sin x which is written here. Now multiplying this cos x in this bracket we will be getting 2 cos cube x minus cos x minus 2 sin square x into cos x. Now further 2 sin cube x minus cos of x minus 2 bracket 1 minus cos square x into cos of x. Here we have substituted the value of sin square x as 1 minus cos square x from the identity formula of trigonometry number 1. Here now further we will be getting 2 cos cube x minus cos x minus 2 cos x plus 2 cos cube x, as we are multiplying this cos x in this bracket. Now final answer will be addition of this 2 cos of cos 2 cos cube x and this 2 cos cube x will be getting 4 cos cube x, and this minus and minus will again do addition but the sign will be negative. Then cos plus 2 cos x will give us 3 cos x and the sign will be negative. Now moving further on the next slide, proof number 3 of tan 3x. Here again tan of 3x will be splitted as tan of 2x plus x. That will be equal to tan of 2x plus tan x divided by 1 minus tan 2x into tan x. Here we are substituting the value of tan 2x. Here you can see that 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x. For further simplification, we are substituting this value of tan 2x. After multiplying, we'll be getting, after substituting, we'll be getting 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x plus tan x divided by 1 minus 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x into tan x. Now further, 2 tan x plus bracket 1 minus tan square x into tan x. We are multiplying this 1 minus tan square x in this tan x, so we can eliminate this 1 minus tan square x in from the numerator and from the denominator. So in this next step you can see that here also in denominator we have multiplied it by 1 minus tan square x minus 2 tan, this tan x into tan x will form tan square x, 2 tan square x divided by 1 minus tan square x. In the numerator and denominator 1 minus tan square x and 1 minus tan square x gets cancelled out, and we will be getting 2 tan x plus tan x minus 3 minus tan cube x divided by 1 minus 3 tan square x. Here tan x and tan x are positive, and there will be addition of this 2 tan x and tan x. We will be getting 3 tan x. So our final answer is tan of 3x, that is equal to 3 tan x minus tan cube x divided by 1 minus 3 tan square x. Moving to next slide. So thank you guys for watching this video, and please do not forget to subscribe and like this channel. In the next video we'll going to see the sums related to this theoretical parts which we have taught till now. Thank you, and please subscribe this channel. Thank you and show your support. नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में आपको इस लेक्चर के नोट्स मिल जाएंगे, तो चेक कर लेना।